English adventure. Packing for a trip. Hello, English explorers. Today, we are going to dive into a very exciting topic: travel planning. More specifically, we'll focus on a crucial part of every journey: packing. Whether you're off to a tropical beach, a bustling city, or a serene countryside, knowing how to talk about packing in English will make your travel experience much smoother. So, let's get started. First things first, let's learn some common words and phrases that we use when packing for a trip. Suitcase, a large case with a handle for carrying clothes and other personal belongings. Backpack, a bag with shoulder straps, carried on the back. Clothes, items such as shirts, trousers, dresses, and so on. Toiletries, items like toothbrush, toothpaste, shampoo, soap, etc. Gadgets, devices like your phone, laptop, camera, chargers, etc. Passport, an official document that verifies your identity and citizenship. Tickets, proof of reservation for travel, like flight tickets, train tickets, etc. Money, don't forget to carry some local currency and/or credit cards. Remember, knowing these words will help you discuss what you need to pack, and also understand advice or suggestions about packing from others. Now that we have the basic vocabulary down, let's move on to some useful phrases you might use or hear when packing for a trip. I need to pack my suitcase. This is a simple phrase you can use when you're preparing for a trip. Don't forget to pack your toothbrush. This phrase is useful when you're reminding yourself or someone else about important items to pack. I think I've overpacked. This is a phrase you can use if you think you've packed too many things. I should make a packing list. This phrase can be used when you want to make sure you don't forget anything. I can't close my suitcase. This is a phrase you might use if you're having difficulty fitting everything in your suitcase. Next, let's use our new vocabulary and phrases to construct sentences. Here are a few examples. I always double-check to make sure I've packed my passport and tickets. I prefer using a backpack when I travel. It's easier to carry. I usually pack my clothes first, then toiletries, and finally gadgets. It's a good idea to carry some local currency, in case credit cards are not widely accepted. By building sentences, you can practice using our new vocabulary and phrases, helping you to remember and understand them better. And that's a wrap on our packing adventure. I hope this video helps you prepare for your next journey, and more importantly, enhances your English vocabulary related to travel planning and packing. Remember, practice is key when learning a new language. So try using these new words and phrases as much as you can. Safe travels and happy learning!